Hello traders, I hope you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 18th of May, Tuesday 2021, and as always, I would like to show you how I help my traders through a live intraday analysis and the best trade of the day. Today we had amazing volatility, and let me share with you guys how I did today. If you don't want to miss my latest analysis, updates, review, feel free to subscribe my channel. Just to recap, traders, these are the intraday analysis alongside 4-hour. If you would like to know how I trade and help my traders through live intraday analysis, watch that video. Link is given in the video description. Let's move into three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. Euro USD, as you can see from yesterday, if you haven't seen my yesterday analysis, link is given in the video description. If you look at the 4-hour, we were expecting if the price gonna break, which price nicely broken. We were long from yesterday, from last night, and as you can see, we were expecting this was our first target, which price nicely hit, and still price continue, and we had another very small counter short trade at this level, but technically we were bullish today on Euro USD. As you can see here, such a nice move. We were short at this level. Let me explain to you in intraday how we did today. Okay, so if you look at the Euro USD, if you look at this is the analysis I did for the Asian session to look for this breakout. If you know that this was the analysis from yesterday, as I mentioned that we were looking at breakout, which price nicely broken, and we were long from yesterday. And afterwards at the Asian session, I also broadcast that analysis to my trader, because I can see very strong bullish momentum and trend on Euro USD. I explained to trader look for another triangle pattern breakout, which price nicely broken, as you can see here, beautiful. And if you look at the, as soon as the price hit over red fib channel, as you can see here, that's over the first target, because we were watching in 4-hour. As soon as the price hit this level, we explained to trader it's time to consider banking some pips and looking for the counter short trade at this level, but we need a valid technical reason, and that's what I did this analysis. As soon as the target hit, look for another possible counter short trade. If you look at the counter short trade, we need a valid technical reason. If you look at the bottom, you can see here we have a clear diversion. You can see here purely diversion. You can see this is high and this is low, this is high and this is low, and the price retested this resistance level, and the price was at another 122.33.7 level, which is a major resistance level. Possibility of counter short trade. So you can see we had a beautiful counter short trade. As soon as the price hit to the support level, we explained to trader it's time to consider some banking some pips. So you can see here we had such a beautiful long trade on Euro USD, and we also had a counter short trade, and we explained to trader if the price is going to stay below this support, which is previously resistance level, and if the price gonna stay below that, we're short, otherwise we're gonna take a pullback. So you can see here beautiful short and long trade on Euro USD, counter short, and the trend long breakout trade on Euro USD. All right, so let's move into the pound dollar. If you look at the pound dollar 4-hour chart, we had long trade in yesterday analysis, and that was the major breakout, which is I explained to my trader in yesterday analysis. If you haven't seen that video, link is given in the video description. So we have taken, as I said to my trader, once the major structure is broken, then we should be keep taking a pullback. So most of my traders have banked beautiful pips. They will keep taking a pullbacks, and this morning, as soon as the price hit this level, afternoon, we explained to trader it's time to consider counter short trade at this level. As you can see here, price nicely respected previously twice, and we were expecting at this counter short trade, because our target was 142,000, which is nicely hit. So 142,198 level, which price nicely respected, and we had a counter short trade. Right, so let me share with you guys the intraday analysis. And if you look at from yesterday, this was the consolidation breakout, which I mentioned here in 4-hour. You can see that was the breakout, long trade from yesterday, and afterwards, as I'm explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. So they really enjoyed it, pullback, long trade afterwards. You can see here we had such a beautiful, as soon as the price hit to the major resistance level, which is, I explained to you traders, that was a major resistance, trend resistance, beautiful, which is 142 198, technically 142 200 level, as nicely hit. And that's what explained to trader is consider taking a short trade at the morning. You can see here beautiful counter short trade. And afterwards I also did another analysis at the New York session. As I said to you guys, as soon as the price developed another pattern, that's we broadcast that information instantly. You can see another breakout. Technically we were looking, after this bearish candle, we were looking a short trade here. As you can see here, price nicely broken as soon as the price hit to the previous level, support level, which is explained to trader, and it's time to tighten your stop loss. And afterwards, as you can see here, price nicely broken, and after the breakout, another retest, and we have another two major resistance level, which is previously one is broken as support, now become resistance. We have this breakout as soon as the price hit to the first profit target, which is another bull fib channel and the previous high. And we explained to trader it's time to consider banking some pips, possibility price might going to basically sideways market at the London close. And afterwards you can see here price develop a sideways market. So we had a beautiful long trade from yesterday, keep taking a long trade, and we have another very few two counter short trades on pound dollar. All right, so let's see tomorrow. As you can see here, price developing a sideways market. We'll let you know tomorrow how we because as I said to you, we are intraday trader, and if the price gonna stay above this previous high, we might going to expect another pullback long, and if the price gonna break, we're going to keep taking a pullback short trades. And that's what exactly we do as an intraday. We look at the major support and resistance, we refine our entries and exit, and we take the maximum benefit. So let's move on to the dollar CAD. We had such a nice beautiful, we were short from yesterday, as you can see here, but then we had long trade from since London morning. And let me explain to you guys, if you look at the 4 hour, this is what we explained to trader, that we are looking at counter long trade here, and we're expecting some support line. You can see here previously price respected here this level, and you can see here respected and break and retested, and also retested at this level. So we explained to trader that's a quite price respected this trend support level previously, so more likely price might going to respect, that is 122 a level, which price nicely respected. And we'll see if there's any counter short trade, we're going to be looking at this level. So we had a long trade, we were short from yesterday from this breakout, and as soon as the price hit this level, we were long from there, and our target was this level, which price nicely hit. So since London morning we were long, from yesterday we were short. So let me explain to you guys through intraday analysis. And if I show you here, you can see from yesterday we were short from this level. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis, link is given in the video description. We were short at this breakout as soon as the price broke on the previous let me show you this level in 4 hour. So we were short from here, and then I also explained to my trader just keep taking a pullback. This is the analysis I did at the Asian session, just to explain my trader just keep taking a pullback. So after this analysis we have one beautiful pullback short trade, because based on the momentum, and that's what exactly we look when we look at the price break the major structure. Even if you look at in 4 hour, we have this breakout as soon as the price hit to the red fib channel, and that's why we explained to trader it's time to look for a possibility of counter long trade if we see the price is at the major support, which is I just explained to you guys, that was the major support area. And you can see here this is the analysis I did in the London morning session, to look for counter short, counter long trade at this level. And let me explain to you guys, show me. Okay, okay, so if you look at this level, you can see here that's the red fib channel. That's basically is oversold channel, which we use it as a fib channel. and if that coordinates with the major, you know, support and trend, you can see in the 4-hour, you can see here that's the level. Price nicely respected here. You can see that's the level. As soon as the price respected this trend support line, and that's what exactly we explained to my trader to look for counter long trade, and that's what happened. And afterwards, as soon as the price develop a double bottom, that's another give us the confidence and explain to trader you can another scaling trade. And afterwards at the New York session, I explained to my trader, look, if you look at very carefully, the price is developing low, high, high and low, you know, and I guess that's what does give us the confirmation that's the most likely the price is going to reverse based on the major 4-hour price action. And explain I did another analysis, look for another breakout if the price gonna break the previous high, which price nicely broken, and we were long here, and we were long from here, here, and here, and another one. Once we decided the price is going in direction, we can scaling trade and moving stop loss, and that's what I explained to trader as soon as the price hit this level. And that's what we explained, as you can see here, fib channel. And if you look at in 4-hour, that's the level, and as soon as the price hit, we explained to trader it's time to bank some profit, which is 128.15 level. Price nicely hit, and that's what I explained to trader it's time to bank some profit. So as you can see, we had such a nice beautiful trades, both all the major currency pair, pound dollar, euro USD, and dollar CAD. All right guys, so we had a beautiful trade. Most of the pairs, we had a counter short trades in Aussie dollar this afternoon. You can see here that was the breakout as soon as the price, you know, respected. Again, we were watching in 4-hour, 100% we watch in 4-hour. Look at where the price was. As you can see here, price was at this level, and once we understand the prices keep respecting it, then we did this analysis. If you look at the price develop high and low, safest trade would be the breakout short trade. So we have a counter short trade. We also had a long trade, beautiful, as you can see here, beautiful breakout. So we had such amazing trades for most of the pairs today. All right guys, I hope you enjoy all these analysis, and if you would like to see all that analysis in real time alongside with the 4-hour analysis, if you need any forex coaching and training, the whole objective is to train people through live intraday analysis, help them with the live market so they can develop their trading skill effectively and fast, and also we can find a good traders to invest to them. If you are interested how we train and invest in our traders through trading account, feel free to book a free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Or even if you are an experienced trader, as you've seen, this is purely price action trading. I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy peeping alongside with my professional trader. All right guys, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.